Asparagus juice can be very stimulating when there is a long and strenuous mental work ahead of us. Due to the high content of folic acid, asparagus is the perfect food for pregnant women or women who are planning to expand their family. Folic acid helps before and during pregnancy, and prevents major birth defects. Asparagus ingredients. Asparagus is an excellent source of vitamin C, B2 and B6. Those are the vitamins that beneficially affect the general health of the body, and aid the normal heart function. Apart from the micronutrients, 100 grams of fresh asparagus contains 20 calories, 2.20 grams of protein, 3.88 grams of carbohydrate, 0.12 grams of fat, 2.10 grams of cellulose and 93.22 grams of water. Asparagus improves digestion and helps with constipation. It is considered to be a natural diuretic, as well as a means to relieve PMS, arthritis, high blood pressure and weak capillaries. It contains one of the most powerful antioxidants, glutathione GSH. GSH is a very potent anti-carcinogen that protects the skin from malignancy. In old China, some 3,000 years ago, asparagus was used as medicine against coughs and ulcers. It was also used to alleviate pain and swelling in the legs. In France, asparagus was applied as a tool for breaking up kidney stones. It has long been known to possess strong aphrodisiac properties. The alkaloid asparagine. As we have seen, asparagus contains a number of beneficial ingredients, but one of them, asparagine, is found in relatively high concentrations. Asparagine belongs to the group of chemical compounds called alkaloids. Alkaloids are metabolic products of many living organisms, but they are mostly abundant in the plants. The majority of them are alkaline and contain nitrogen atoms. Asparagine is a non-essential amino acid protein. However, it is established that the nervous system requires it for proper functioning. If not taken directly, our body is capable of synthesizing asparagine on its own. Even though it need not be present in the diet, it is desirable to get it along with the other vital nutrients from the asparagus juice. If asparagus is not taken as raw ingredient, the nutritive value of asparagine is lost. This means that the only way to ensure maximum health benefit is to prepare asparagus juice. Health benefits of asparagus juice. If prepared as juice, asparagus can be very useful as a diuretic. It should be combined with some carrot juice, otherwise it is unusually strong and could have a sudden impact on the functioning of the kidneys. It's also used to aid weight loss. Asparagus is very low in calories, 1 cup containing just 40 calories, and an excellent source of both insoluble and soluble fiber. Fiber helps us feel satiated. This pertains more to eating asparagus however and not drinking the juice, but note that soluble, not insoluble, does make it into the juice and we reap those health benefits. If you need low-calorie juice, then asparagus, like most green vegetables, is an excellent low-calorie option. When consumed moderately and gradually, it can help with some kidney dysfunctions. The positive effect are due to the impact of the nutritive components of asparagus juice on the breaking up of the oxalic stones in the kidneys and muscular system. It is also very good in regulating problems with the glandular system, prostate gland, and rheumatism. Consuming large quantities of meat and various meat products can lead to generating excessive metabolic products such as urea. These, in turn, can be the root cause of rheumatism and similar dysfunctions. It also puts a burden on and affects the normal function of the excretion organs. It is recommended that anemic persons and convalescents take a lot of asparagus juice. Some people use asparagus as juice in order to ease diabetes, but in these cases it should be used in conjunction with other more specific healthy drinks. Asparagus juice is usually taken in the quantity of a sherry glassful 3 times a day before meals. Asparagus extract has been used not only to remove water from the body but as a purifier of the blood, to tone up the nervous system and as a gentle laxative. The thickness of the asparagus used has little effect upon the value, only upon the cost. So choose fresh-looking stems that have not dried out and gone floppy. The white, woody base of the stem helps prevent it from losing moisture. It can be stored for a few days wrapped with a damp cloth around the base and kept in a cool place. Asparagus juice is an excellent drink. However, due to its potency, one should consider mixing it with other types of healthy juices, such as carrot juice mixes, or beet juice.